What if I told you that the past is not locked, that yesterday isn't truly over, and that the choices you make right now could subtly influence events that already happened? It sounds impossible. It sounds like science fiction. It sounds like something that would break reality itself. But according to groundbreaking research in quantum physics, time may not flow in one direction at all. Experiments suggest that at the deepest level of reality, the present and the past may be connected, meaning decisions made now can ripple backward in time. This discovery doesn't just challenge physics. It challenges free will. It challenges cause and effect, and it forces us to ask one terrifying question. Viral, daily content, where futuristic science, mind-bending discoveries, and reality-shifting ideas come together. If you love quantum mysteries, thought-provoking science, and discoveries that make you question everything you thought you knew, hit subscribe and join the VibeVerse family. Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking ideas modern science has ever suggested: your present choices may influence the past. Fact: one, time isn't as simple as we think. In everyday life, time feels obvious. The past is gone. The present is now. The future hasn't happened yet. This idea comes from classical physics, where time flows forward like an arrow. Cause comes first. Effect comes after. But quantum physics has been quietly breaking this rule for decades. At the quantum level, particles don't follow clean timelines. They exist in probabilities, not certainties. Fact: quantum experiments show time can behave strangely. In advanced quantum experiments, scientists observed something deeply unsettling. Certain particles appeared to decide their past behavior based on measurements made after they had already moved. This means the act of observing a particle in the present can influence how it behaved in the past, at least at the quantum level. This phenomenon is known as retrocausality. Retrocausality is the idea that effects can influence causes, not just the other way around. In simple terms, the future can affect the past. This doesn't mean you can go back and change history like in a movie, but it does mean that quantum events may not be finalized until they are observed. Reality waits. Fact: for the delayed choice experiments, and of the most famous experiments supporting this idea is the delayed choice experiment. In these tests, a particle travels forward in time. Scientists decide later how to measure it. The particle behaves as if it knew the future choice. It's as if the particle's past remains flexible until the present decision locks it in. Fact 5: the past may be probabilistic, not fixed. According to quantum mechanics, events don't have one definite history. Instead, the past exists as a range of probabilities until measured. Only when an observation happens does reality choose a history. This means the past you experience may be the one that survived all future interactions. Fact 6: this doesn't break reality, it reveals it. This discovery does not mean history is constantly rewriting itself. Your memories will suddenly change. Time travel is happening. What it means is deeper. At the fundamental level, reality is not locked until information is exchanged. Time isn't a straight line. Fact 7: free will and choice become more powerful if present actions influence how reality settles. Even at the smallest scale, then choice matters more than ever. Your decisions shape outcomes, collapse probabilities, lock certain versions of reality into existence. The universe isn't watching passively. It's responding. Fact 8: this could change technology forever. Understanding time-linked quantum behavior could lead to more powerful quantum computers, new encryption systems, advanced prediction models, technologies that use probability instead of certainty. We may one day design systems that work with time instead of against it. Fact 9: the universe is deeply interconnected. Quantum research suggests that past, present, and future are not separate or entangled. Reality may be one massive system where every moment influences every other moment. Nothing is isolated. Nothing is meaningless. Fact 10: why this changes how we see life. If the present influences the past, then every moment matters more than we think. Your choices don't just shape tomorrow, they shape the story of reality itself. Time is not a prison. It's a conversation. Conclusion: the past may still be listening. It means time is not rigid. It means reality is still forming. And it means your actions are not small. Quantum physics doesn't say the past is rewritten, it says the universe is far more interactive than we ever imagined. Every choice echoes, and reality is still responding. If this changed the way you think about time, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to VibeVerse, where we explore the ideas that reshape how you see the universe. Because the future isn't the only thing being written, the past might still be listening.